good morning and welcome to our today's assembly. Let us start our day with assembly. All of you be ready for assembly. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now get ready for the prayer, everyone. Join your hands. Close your eyes. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, God made the glowing colors, God made the tiny wings. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. The Lord God made them all. Now our today's श्लोक.
गंगे च यमुना चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु। हे सात नदियों की देविया, मैं मेरे इस स्नान के जल को आपका आशीर्वाद समझ अपने आप को पाप मुक्त करता हूँ। हे सात नदियों की देविया, मैं मेरे इस स्नान के जल को आपका आशीर्वाद समझ अपने आप को पाप मुक्त करता हूँ।
Touch your eyes. Now slowly open your eyes. Now you all feel fresh. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Now get ready for the pledge. Stand straight, everyone. Take your right hand forward. Put your left hand down straight. Now let us start the pledge. I solemnly pledge that India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and its people, I pledge my devotion July. 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 July is a seventh month of the year. July is a seventh month of the year. Which year is going on? 2021. 2021. So today is 1st of July 2021. Which day is today? Yesterday was Wednesday. Yes. So today is Thursday. 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 Thursday is a fourth day of the week. Thursday is a fourth day of the week. Now students, it is everyone's birthday today. I wish you a very happy birthday to you, beta. God bless you. You are very happy and healthy life. Okay. Now it's time for national anthem. Stand is attention. Get ready for the national anthem, everyone. Stand straight and look straight. Janagan